XRP defies hourly death cross with 5% price jump, a resilient recovery after market turmoil. When it comes to the volatile world of cryptocurrencies, price fluctuations can be impacted by a broad variety of factors, including market mood and investor behavior, as well as technical chart patterns. One of these patterns, known as the death cross, is frequently indicative of a gloomy market mood and is typically regarded as a possible forerunner to additional price movement that is downward. On the other hand, XRP, which is the native token of the Ripple network, has lately defied this technical signal by experiencing a price spike of 5% within 24 hours. Following a turbulent week in the cryptocurrency market, which witnessed massive sell-offs and liquidations totaling over $1.4 billion, this rapid bounce has occurred within a short period. Becoming familiar with the death cross, an indicator of bearish thinking. Before attempting to comprehend the significance of the current surge in XRP, it is necessary to first get an understanding of the notion of the death cross. When a short-term moving average, often the 50-period moving average, crosses below a long-term moving average, typically the 200-period moving average on a price chart, this is referred to as a death cross in the field of technical analysis. As a result of this event, a bearish signal has been generated, which indicates that the recent price action is becoming less strong and that a longer-term downward trend may be developing. Market participants and experts pay particular attention to the death cross since its appearance frequently results in increased selling pressure, which in turn leads to more price drops. It indicates that the momentum of the market has moved from something bullish to something bearish, which could result in a potential sell-off. Because many traders see the death cross as a warning sign to quit positions or to adopt a more defensive stance on their investments, the psychological influence of the death cross can amplify the effect that it brings about. On the other hand, just like any other technical indicator, the death cross does not, in every instance, ensure that it will accurately predict future price moves. In certain circumstances, markets can defy the death cross, and this is precisely what XRP has done in the most recent days. The resilience of XRP, its challenge to the death cross. The digital currency has demonstrated extraordinary endurance, despite the death cross that appeared on the hourly charts of XRP, which would normally cause investors to be concerned about further falling prices. A surge in the price of XRP of almost 5% occurred during the previous 24 hours, which has taken several traders and analysts by surprise. This price increase comes on the heels of a big sell-off that occurred earlier in the week, which caused the cryptocurrency market as a whole to begin to shake. At the beginning of this week, the cryptocurrency market as a whole experienced large liquidation, which resulted in the loss of positions valued at more than $1.4 billion. This episode of liquidation was brought about by a confluence of variables, which included anxiety that was widespread across the market, concerns about the macroeconomic environment, and regulatory uncertainty. As a consequence of this, a great number of cryptocurrencies, including XRP, experienced significant drops in value, which resulted in a gloomy picture for the short term for a great deal of digital assets. Nevertheless, the recent price increase of XRP indicates that there may be a shift in the mentality of the market. Despite the overall negative pressure and the death cross technical signal, the 5% surge seems to indicate that XRP is finding support at lower levels and is regaining momentum. This is the case even though the signal is a death cross. As a result of this resiliency, traders have been interested in cryptocurrency, and they are currently re-evaluating their positions on the coin. The reasons behind the recovering value of XRP. The fact that XRP has been able to make a rebound and break through the death cross could be attributed to a number of different factors. Let's investigate some of the potential factors that have been driving the price activity in recent times. Market overreaction and short-term technicals. The death cross on the hourly chart is a short-term technical pattern, which means that it mostly impacts intraday traders and those who focus on immediate price changes. 2. Strong support levels. Despite the death cross, XRP may have discovered strong support levels at recent price levels, which may be contributing to the price stabilization. After major sell-offs, cryptocurrencies frequently have sharp retracements, particularly when they reach key psychological or technical support levels. This is especially true when the retracement occurs. To provide traders with the confidence to enter or re-enter the market, these levels have the potential to act as a foundation for price recovery. Third, the sentiment of the wider cryptocurrency market. The overall tone may be going back to a more neutral or even positive stance, even though the cryptocurrency market as a whole saw significant liquidations earlier this week. The rise in XRP may be a mirror of this broader market trend, in which investors are beginning to consider present pricing as an attractive entry point. 4. News or developments. Relating to XRP, XRP has seen its fair share of regulatory problems, particularly in the United States, where the ongoing legal battle with the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has had a significant impact on the price performance of the cryptocurrency. On the other hand, the rekindling of investor optimism might have been influenced by favorable developments in the lawsuit or by fresh information concerning the partnerships and advancements of the Ripple network. Any favorable stimulus, whether regulatory or technological, has the potential to boost the price of XRP despite the challenges that are faced by the market as a whole. The psychology of investors. When it comes to the cryptocurrency market, the market emotion of investors frequently plays a significant impact in the movement of prices. When prices have experienced a significant drop, many investors may hunt for opportunities to buy the dip, which means they are hoping that prices will recover in the near future. The 5% increase in XRP could be a consequence of this buying activity, as traders are looking to capitalize on what they consider to be an undervaluation of the cryptocurrency. Possible consequences for the price action of XRP in the future. The recent increase in the price of XRP has prompted speculation over the course that the cryptocurrency may take in the future. Despite the fact that the death cross on the hourly chart may indicate that there will be additional declines in the short term, the 5% rally illustrates that XRP is able to resist negative indications and find purchasing support. Traders will be keeping a careful eye on the situation in the coming days to determine whether or not the momentum can be maintained. Assuming that XRP maintains its position above its support levels and that the sentiment of the market as a whole continues to improve, there is the potential for additional price appreciation. On the other hand, if the market goes through another round of sell-offs, the death cross may once again enter into play, which would result in renewed negative pressure. Resilience is put to the test in this conclusion. The unpredictable nature of the cryptocurrency market is highlighted by the fact that XRP was able to recover with a price increase of 5%, even though its hourly charts displayed a significant technical death cross. The death cross and other technical patterns are helpful tools for understanding market movement. Nevertheless, it is important to note that these patterns are not infallible indicators of future performance. Price swings in XRP have been greatly influenced by a variety of factors, including investor attitude, support levels, and broader market circumstances, as evidenced by the recent increase in XRP's price, which highlights the intricacy of the market. The potential of XRP to retain its momentum and overcome bearish indications will be the focus of everyone's attention as it continues to advance. The market circumstances, regulatory developments, and larger cryptocurrency trends will all play a role in determining whether this comeback is the beginning of a more durable recovery or only a short-term correction. This will be determined by a multitude of factors. However, for the time being, XRP continues to be a resilient participant in the cryptocurrency sector, demonstrating that even in the face of technical setbacks, it is still capable of finding a way to recover. Enjoyed the content? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below to share your thoughts. Your support keeps us going.